Hey y'all, in this quick video, I'll show you how to host videos outside of Framer to source in your site's front end. Let's scroll down to my video components. You'll see I have 3 videos already referenced. We're going to add the 4th and final one. When using videos on Framer, you have 2 hosting options, referencing a source URL or uploading directly to Framer. If I choose upload, I can add my video, but it prompts me to upgrade my site plan for uploads up to 20 megabytes. Since my video exceeds this limit, we'll use a host CDN or host content delivery network instead. Go to Gumlet.com. This site lets you host videos and other media for sourcing elsewhere. They offer a free tier that's perfect for our needs. Sign up to create an account. I've already set one up for our team, so I'll head straight to our dashboard. Click Upload your first video, then New Video. I'll use the video I mentioned earlier. Give it some time to upload, then click into it once it's done. You'll see different publishing options: embed via code, email, or share via URL. We want the URL option. URLs and copy the MP4 link. Back in Framer, go to your video component, click URL, and paste in the copied link. And there you have it. Your video is now sourced without having to upgrade your site plan or sacrificing bandwidth. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.